Hello viewers, this is Palace Kiddies Craft. Today we'll be learning how to make a paper tie from a square sheet of paper. Take a square sheet of paper and hold it in a diamond shape. Fold it into two equal halves from right to left. Unfold it. Fold the right side into a triangle to meet at the center crease, the center line, and crease it down. Fold the left side to meet at the center line. Crease down as well. Turn it over. Fold down the pointed tip. Fold it backwards. Fold it up a little and then up one more time. Okay. Flip over and fold down the sides in this form. Left side and then the right side. Then flip over again to have the tie. Now we have some cut out pieces of white paper to make the face of the person wearing the tie. So we just stick down the pieces onto the tie and then we mark the eyes, and that gives us our paper tie. Now that we have all our pieces on the tie, we just decorate the eyes of the person wearing the tie. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.